In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a real snow add-on. Let's activate the add-on. It looks like my age-old mouse clicked twice when I clicked only once. By the way, I bought a new widescreen monitor, but I didn't have money to buy a new mouse. In order to use the Real Snow add-on, we must select a face, or faces first. Press N as in Nitro to bring up the side menu. Click Add Snow to add a snow mesh on the selected face. That's how easy it is. Please remember to experiment with the settings. Let's quickly create a complete donut mesh by using the Real Snow add-on. Shift-Alt select the face loops like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.